90-90 breathing. 3 contractions. 1, pinch something between your knees. This could be a pillow, a can of corn, doesn't matter. 2, drive your heels into whatever's holding your heels up. 3, tuck the tail. Yep, when you tuck the tail, it lifts your knees a little bit. 3 contractions. 1, 2, drive your heel down. 3, tuck the tail. Holding all 3 of those contractions. Breathe in nasally and expand the chest wall as deeply as you can. Out, whistle mouth. Like you're gonna blow up a balloon. In nasal, expand the chest wall. Out, whistle mouth. Breathe into your pelvis. In nasal, expand, expand, expand. Out, contract, contract, contract. Squeeze into the pelvic bowl. Keep all 3 contractions. In, out. And note your lumbar will settle to the ground.